Hey, this is Dom Gervasi, Made in Brooklyn Tours. Here I am in Williamsburg on Broadway, and I'm in front of what was the headquarters for a very large manufacturer of children's clothing called Smith Gray & Company back in the 19th century when Brooklyn was a city. Recently I read an article in Fast Company in which the CEO of American Giant, Bayard Winthrop, was interviewed. American Giant, in case you aren't aware, is a manufacturer of apparel of exceptional quality for those people who want something other than the status quo. Mr. Winthrop makes the point that domestic production has many benefits. For example, manufacturing offers an alternative career path to well-paying jobs and is also a source of low-skilled entry-level jobs. And manufacturing is an additional dimension to an otherwise service-oriented economy. And there's an echo effect on related industries like retail and the production of raw materials. And furthermore, the employees of manufacturers patronize local businesses. So I wonder how Broadway would have looked like back in 1884 when this building was built. Most manufacturers in Brooklyn today are small businesses, and it must be very challenging for them in this high-cost, highly regulated environment. The question is, how can they secure the long-term commitments they need to prosper as American Giant has? I'm curious, if you're a manufacturer, what do you think some of the other benefits are to domestic production? And if you're a consumer of locally made products, how have you benefited?